Since my last video, two things have happened. First thing is I've got sunburn. How I've done that in the UK, I will never know. Second thing that's happened is Adam's been busy and he's been painting the gym. And it looks good, mate. I absolutely love it. I mean, obviously it's not finished yet. We are going to paint the ceiling. When I say we, I mean Adam. Going to paint the ceiling as well. Although, if I'm not mistaken, you have made a start. And that's what that looks like there. But it's going to need a few more coats because it's definitely see-through. Before we work out tonight, we are doing more improvements. So for those of you that watched my last video, know we failed but also was quite successful in putting this one mirror up. If you remember, it did slide down. We didn't leave it to dry long enough, but we did leave it for about 3 days and now it's rock solid. But we have also, or I say we again, this is all Adam's handiwork, put a beam down here so that the mirror will rest on it, and then the glue obviously keeps it to the wall. So, you know, it should be all right. So the plan is we're going to get the rest of the mirrors up before we work out tonight. I think we've done a half decent job.
All on the piss.
They're all a bit wonky.
They're all on the piss.
Amber, what do you reckon?
One is that the middle one's not in the middle.
What? It's the gap between the mirrors is like the progress you want to make in the gym. You want to start off small and then you want to get bigger. We didn't want to have gaps, but unfortunately because that one was wonky we had to. Now we're putting this one, small one up there, and then we're done. Nailed it. Or we glued it, we didn't nail it. That's it. Mirror there, mirror there, mirror there, mirror there, mirror there. I always thought about putting mirrors up. It's the only job I could see myself doing. Ba-dum. No?
Unbelievable.
Should we do a workout now? Because I'm absolutely starving. And we've just...
like the view.
Go fat? Go fat and then tense. Okay.
Oh my god, that's quite impressive. Still abs there.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Can we work out now?
Yeah.
Okay. One thing you'll notice is that I'm wearing a belt, and it's because my back, my lower back is just, feels not right really, and it hasn't done for a little bit. I'm doing yoga, which I'll explain in a later video on what I'm doing to try and improve that, but I don't know why I thought I'd share that. I just thought I don't know. Adam, why did I tell him that?
You can delete it.
You could do, could edit it out.
You might lose all 3 of your followers if you keep that in.
Yeah, that's true. So we're moving on to chest press now, and we've worked out that all of this, including the bar, is about 97, we say 97 and a half, was it?
Something like that, yeah.
97 and a half, and I mean, it's not the safest. These weights are literally on the edge. But I think you got this, mate.
I know.
If you get injured, I didn't force you into it.
Oh, you're the adult here.
That was pretty damn impressive considering it's like a thin old bar and like wobbly old weights. I'm gonna give it a go now, but I don't know. That's a lot of weight considering I've been training for a while. What do you reckon?
I reckon you got it.
So I know I've got it.
I reckon if I lift it for you, then you've got it.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
No. We're gonna manifest. I've already done it. In my head, I've already done it. We're manifesting it. I've already done it.
You reckon?
I've already done it, mate.
Let's do it.
It's not even a big deal. And we're done. Out of 10, how good was the session?
7.5.
7.5. It wasn't bad.
No.
That's not bad, is it?
It's real.
What cup size do you reckon?
B?
I'd say a B. Yeah, about a B.
Close your eyes and do it.
Oh. So Amber, although was working out with us, came home early. Weren't really feeling it today, were you?
No.
Came back and cooked dinner, which I'm so grateful for because it looks amazing. It's another veggie meal. What's in it?
It's cheddar cheese,
Yeah.
mixed beans,
Yeah.
and I done extra mushrooms.
Mmm.
And you mix it in with spring onions, chipotle sauce, and tomato puree. And then you lay it all in onto the tortilla, and then
you cook it in the pan like this.
Yeah.
It's
Tasty.
so good. Like, so good. And then we've got a little bit of hummus with it and some salad. It's...
Hot.
It is hot, yeah, but it's so nice. It's now the next day. Morning routine and work has been done. Coffee has been made. Amber is ready. We're going to go for a walk.
We look like alcoholics. Look at all that wine in the back and the...
Oh yeah, we do.
Oops.
No, but it's not drunk. So therefore, if it's not been drunk, are you alcoholics or are you just hoarders? What's more of a problem? Me and Amber have been doing the same walk now for about 2 or 3 weeks, really?
Yeah, about 2 weeks.
And we noticed there's this swan right here that has laid 4 eggs, and we've been walking past every day hoping that they hatch. And
yeah, not yet. She's
just
not ready.
not.
Well, there's a lot of feathers there, which
There's a lot of
we're a bit
feathers.
confused by.
worried that maybe the feathers mean that they've been eaten.
No. I think maybe, but look at that nest she's built up
It's
around
impressive,
it.
isn't it, really?
It goes all the way down into the river, like it's mental.
It is impressive. Maybe they'll be hatched tomorrow. We'll find out.
Maybe.
I'm going to show you what I'm planning on doing for releasing content. So I tried the daily vlogging and it was good, but then it killed me. I struggled to get content out, or I struggled to get decent content out. So I've taken a little bit of a step back and tried to focus more on quality rather than quantity. And what I'm now going to be doing is, let's call it bi-daily vlogging. So a video every other day. So I'm still going to record every day, but I'm not going to sit down and try and edit and release the video every single day. So videos will come out every other day, but it's still going to be daily. Does that make sense to you?
No, I don't think you
Yeah, well that's as best as I can explain it. So, you know, Chelsea, my team, for those of you that aren't in the UK, they are a football team or a soccer team, depending where you are. And they're in the semi-final of the Champions League. Big deal. It's a big deal. Amber, you excited about that?
I didn't listen.
You weren't even listening.
I can't. I'll multitask. I'm trying to.
Okay, are you excited about Chelsea being in the semi-final of the Champions League tonight?
Absolutely buzzing for it.
I'm hinting a little bit of sarcasm.
I'm not a Chelsea supporter.
No, but
I'm not a fan.
well, it looks like I'm watching the game by myself tonight then. Many hours have passed since I had the camera last. The time now is 14 minutes past 11 at night. Chelsea drew the game, which isn't a bad result. The second leg obviously is the most important, so we'll wait and find out what happens there. Currently, I am editing the vlog, which is how I edit most vlogs. Is I sit down, put my headphones in, edit it while Amber watches some trash TV. Really, is probably the best way to describe it.
YouTube, trash TV, whatever you call it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do an outro for the first time, I think, ever, properly. Well, not for a long time anyway. So what I'm gonna do is ask you, if you enjoyed the video, to consider subscribing, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. We're gonna do thanks for watching together. Thanks for watching.
Oh, thanks for watching.
And then you say see you in the next one. Then you say see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
And then you put your hand on the lens. No, properly, otherwise.